Hello, come on in. I'm Sandy with the All Night Group at the agency. Welcome to 197 Lakeshore Circle in Harbor Village in Georgetown. You'll love this custom-built 3-bedroom, 2-bath, split-bedroom, ranch design home. It has an open floor plan with gorgeous upgraded kitchen cabinets and granite countertops, a walk-in pantry, and a large partially covered rear deck. The house is situated on a huge, over 3/4 of an acre lot. Thank you for viewing our listing. If you like what you saw, don't delay. Schedule today.